The sound of your federal tax dollars at work may never be the same again. Now, this is not an appropriate topic for children, so if you are watching this with your children, please pause the video now and usher them out of the room before coming back for what is quite possibly one of the most hysterical stories I've read in a long time. The Heartland Institute announced this week a recent study where they have shown that since 2001, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid, CMS, has spent over $240 million, almost $250 million, on pumps for men who need them for their members. Now, although this may seem absolutely hysterical, considering the fact that federal government spending right now is quite engorged and that people are very concerned about inflationary pressure and that all economic indicators are a little flaccid, this is really a bad time for this study to come out, particularly for those who are still in the administration. And if you are a big government person out there, I don't know if when they said a chicken in every pot, they necessarily meant the extension, which is a pump in every man's hand. So anyway, for those of you who, like me, understand the moral hazard of healthcare, this is another great illustration of the federal government completely out of control.